Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so begin by selecting the calendar you want to style. This makes every change consistent across events. Next, pick a limited palette, 3 to 5 colors, and assign them to calendars or event types so your view stays readable. Once done, change the default view to week or month and set default event duration to 30 minutes. This immediately reduces clutter and gives you a clear canvas to apply aesthetic tweaks. Now design the look. Assign high contrast colors for timed events and softer hues for all-day items so you can scan quickly. You can add emojis or single-letter icons at the start of event titles to create visual anchors. This helps you find types at a glance. For deeper changes, fonts, background, spacing, install a reputable browser-style extension and apply a simple custom CSS snippet. Make sure to test one change at a time to avoid layout breakage. Finish by polishing layout. Tweak density, compact event spacing, and rename color labels so everything reads clearly in one glance. Then share or duplicate the styled calendar as a template and export a snapshot if you want a backup before big changes. If aesthetic changes don't appear, clear your browser cache and disable other extensions to identify conflicts. If you used custom CSS, revert to the last working version. This usually resolves display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.